Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will launch with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip worldwide. Yes, it is finally confirmed that Samsung is bringing Qualcomm chips all over the world, including Europe, UK, pretty much everywhere. Qualcomm unveiled its newest flagship mobile processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, during the Snapdragon Summit 2022 event. Its Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 launched in mid-2022 and focuses on power efficiency rather than peak performance gains. The chipset competes with MediaTek's Dimensity 9200, which launched a few days ago in Apple's A16 Bionic chipset. A lot of people care about the bleeding-edge performance on a phone, but for many battery life is important, and Qualcomm has just nailed this aspect with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The chipset is 40% more efficient than his predecessor, and not only that, the GPU specifically offers 45% higher power saving. This means you're gonna get a very noticeable increase in battery life with the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Despite the phone offering the same 5000 mAh battery, people keep praising Apple for its battery life, but it seems with these kind of numbers we can safely say the Galaxy S23 Ultra will come very close to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And if Samsung plays course right, it might even surpass the iPhone, but that is wishful thinking at this point, because the difference in battery life between the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the iPhone 14 Pro Max is quite significant. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is custom designed to handle the Samsung ISOCELL 200-megapixel sensor, meaning it will unleash an incredible camera performance on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, completely optimized. Along with this, Qualcomm says that you'll be able to take high-resolution photos with almost zero shutter lag, which is one of the key areas where Samsung needs to improve. We also get video performance up to 8K HDR in 10-bit at 30 frames per second. But this power, Samsung might finally unlock the true uncropped 8K video on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Qualcomm has opted to use two different generations of CPU cores, Cortex A710 and Cortex A715, so that its new chip can continue to support apps that haven't been updated to 64-bit. The company claims that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is 36% faster and 40% more power efficient than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. It's possible that Samsung is still planning to launch the Exynos 2300 version of the Galaxy S23 in some markets. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.